ओके, अभी ये क्वेश्चन देखो. टू प्लेन मिरर्स ऑफ लेंथ L are separated by a distance L and a man M2 is standing at a distance L from the connecting line of mirrors as shown. Okay, so these are two plane mirrors of length L. The gap between the two plane mirrors is also L, and here we have a man M2 at a distance L2 from the line joining the two plane mirrors. Okay, a man M1 is walking in a straight line at distance 2L parallel to mirrors at speed U. Then man M2 at O will be able to see image of M1 for time how much? Okay, so M1 is walking along this road over here. Then for how much time will M2 be able to see the image of M1? Okay, four options are given, right? So this question is very easy. How is it easy? Let's see. So let's draw the diagram again. So here's my diagram again with the two mirrors and the two people. Okay, now let's draw the image of the road and the man M1, M2, sorry, image of this road and M2 on the backside of the mirrors. Okay, so this is the image of the road. Okay, now as you can see, since this distance is 2L, the distance of the image from the mirror should also be 2L, right? This distance between the mirror and the road is 2L, so distance between the image of the road and the mirror should also be 2L. Okay, now the image of M2 is walking on this imaginary road. Okay, so image of M2 is also walking on the image of the road, right? So now we just need to draw simple geometry. From M1 we draw a line over here. Actually, let's draw a proper triangle. So M1 can see M2 as long as M2 is in this region of the image behind the mirror, right? M1 can see M2 as long as, see, this is the field of view for M1 through this mirror. Okay, so this is the situation over here, right? Similarly, if we look at the bottom also, we will get a similar triangle. So here also, when M2 is in this region of the image of the road, M1 can see it through this mirror. Okay, so M1 can see M2 when M2 is in this length or in this length, correct? So by symmetry, this length and this length, they are both equal to each other. Okay, now we just need to apply similar triangle properties. So this distance is L, this is 2L. Okay, the height of the mirror over here is how much? L, and let this be equal to y, correct? So look at this triangle and this triangle, they are both similar. Okay, so L by L should be equal to y divided by 3L. Okay, L by L should be equal to y divided by 3L, right? This triangle and this triangle, but they are both similar, so we get this thing. Okay, so we get y should be equal to 3L. Okay, now what is the speed of the particle? The speed of the person M2 is how much? U. Okay, so time taken to cover this distance y will be how much? Y by u, so that is 3L by u. Okay, and again to cover this distance will be how much? Again 3L by u. So total time for this length is how much? uh, y by u, that is 3L by u, and time for this length is also 3L by u, so total time taken will be 6L by u. Okay,